Hello students, here we are solving the question which is based on the topic of electric charge and field. The question is, two similarly equally charged identical metal spheres A and B repel each other with a force of 2 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. A third identical uncharged sphere C is touched to A, then placed at the midpoint between A and B. Calculate the net electrostatic force on C. So here we are given force between two spheres A and B is equals to 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. Charge on A is equals to charge on B, and charge on C is equals to 0 because it is uncharged sphere. So for electrostatic force, the formula that we use is equals to F is equals to K times Q1 Q2 upon R square. So now we see the solution for this. This is our sphere A and this is our sphere B. This is also having charge Q. This is also having charge Q. They are placed at a distance R apart. Then the force between them K Q into Q square upon R square, which is given to be 2.0 into 10 to the power minus 5 Newton. So they are repelling each other because the charges are equal. Now you are given that this is metal sphere A. It is touched with another identical sphere C, and this is sphere B which is not being touched. A got charge Q and C got charge 0. Now charge on A will be equals to charge on C, where that will be equals to Q plus 0 by 2, that is equals to Q by 2. And now these spheres are separated and placed. Sphere C is placed. This is A. This is identical sphere B. And C is placed at a midpoint. This is C. Now this distance is R by 2. And this distance is also R by 2. Charge on B is Q, charge on C is Q by 2, and charge on A is also Q by 2. Now since all the charges are positive, then force on C because of A will be repulsive, and force on C because of B will also be repulsive. Therefore, net force on C will be, these two forces are in opposite direction. So force on C because of A minus force on C because of B. So now we see the solution for this further. The force on C because of, that will be K. Charge on C is Q by 2. Charge on A is Q by 2 upon distance square, that is R square by 4, minus K. Charge on C is Q by 2. Charge on B is Q. Divide by R square by 4. So from this is equals to K Q square by 4 divided by R square by 4 minus K Q square by 2 divided by R square by 4. This 4 gets cancelled. This becomes 2. So this is equals to K Q square upon R square minus 2k q square upon r square, which is equals to minus k q square by r square, which was nothing but equals to magnitude of initial force, and that was given to be 2 into 10 the power minus 5 Newton. Therefore, now this result is coming out negative. So therefore our result is net force acting on sphere C is 2 into 10 the power minus 5 Newton towards sphere A. That is all for this question. Do check my other videos for more challenging problems.